So if we have 5/6 of y equals a negative 15, then how much is 1/6 of y? 1/6 of y would be a negative 3. And if 1/6 of y is a negative 3, well then how much is y? I know that I will have 6 negative 3's, right? And so that's going to give us a value of negative 18. And then of course we're going to want to go ahead and check. So 5/6 of y plus 2, back to the original physical setup by the way, equals a negative 13. Okay? And so we're going to substitute our negative 3's in place of our 1/6. So negative 3, negative 6, negative 9, negative 12, negative 15. And a negative 15 and a positive 2, remember, think like you're making zeros, right? So I could take a 2 and a negative 2, which makes a 0, and that's going to leave me with negative 13. So my check is going to be negative 13 equals negative 13. And there you have it. That's lesson 9. We will see you soon in lesson 10.